Wow. Go look at the tree.
Hey, look at that bucket.
Wow.
The bucket?
Wow.
Look at that.
Did Santa Claus bring that?
Yes. The ladder bucket.
Neato.
Oh, this is a nice bucket.
Cool. That is nice.
Open it.
Santa, neato. He knows exactly what kind of toys little boys like.
Got it. Yay. Then let's come out the birthday speech magic.
That's right.
Look, you drank that milk and ate those cookies? Oh,
Look.
look.
All the cookies are gone.
Santa Claus ate them.
Where's reindeer cookies?
That bowl's empty too.
That's the cookies.
All right, well, we get to see what else Santa brought.
Go to the fire truck.
Aiden, can you say Merry Christmas?
Merry Christmas, Bobby.
Merry Christmas, Aiden.
All right, we got to get busy opening here.